When we talk about cleaning your data, it's really taking what you get from your data collection, either a survey or where you're pulling data from, and then putting it into an Excel spreadsheet where it's very nice and clean, where you have the rows are each of the instance and the column is each variable that you're measuring. So that's what I'm talking about. So it's very important that it's clean so that when we import it into statistical software that we can run the tests very accurately. The first step that I do is I like to start in Excel. So it's much easier to clean the data in that kind of format than in, say, SPSS or R. So you're going to clean up the headings. So the headings for each column need to be very clean and very clear. And I like to make them short and concise. So when you're making your code book, they should all be very uniform. So stuff that's related to each other should be named similarly. And if you have repeated measures, it should be 1 or 2, stuff like that. And that just helps when you're typing or pulling up information to run tests so that it's very efficient. And one nice thing about cleaning your data, because cleaning is not always fun, is that it helps you get very deep into your data and to know your data very well, which helps as you're doing analysis. Because as you're cleaning it, you start to see where stuff is related to each other.